Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I cannot wait to get this cook on. I've been craving some fajitas, some chicken fajitas to be exact. I got some chicken thighs inside, got some veggies mama cut up for me. We're gonna get them seasoned up and put them on the Weber kettle. I wanted to do the kudu tonight, but it's a little too windy for me to trust putting the fire on. So Weber kettle it is. They're gonna be fantastic. Let's go inside and get these prepped up. All right guys, look at those beautiful colors in there. Got some red and yellow bell peppers and also a white onion. We're gonna hit these up with just a little bit of SPG, courtesy of my friends at Grillaholics. Not gonna do a lot. I do want to get a little flavor on them. I'll toss them a little bit. Can't wait to get those on the grill too. I guess just got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I picked up last week sometime, and I've trimmed some of the fat off, but I really want to leave a lot of the fat on there because in a thigh that is the flavor. They look pretty good, and I'm just going to hit these guys up with some taco and fajita seasoning Blackstone puts out, and I've used it before. It's actually pretty good stuff. So yeah. Hit that up fairly generously. And that's where our fajitas are coming from, guys. Cannot wait. I've been craving some fajitas, if I can talk. Use a turn and hit the other side. When this grill comes up, guys, we're going to get these on here and grill them off. Get something good to eat. I think we're pretty close here. Spread out a little bit, the typical 2-zone fire. We'll be cooking this veggies indirect, so get it right on. Get this thing heated up. Alright folks, get this thing going. We're going to put our pan here as far back off of the heat as we can, and I'm going to get these veggies just straight back here. We'll try to keep them towards the back, cook them indirect, and we'll just watch them, and before too long we will get some chicken on here, let it cook up. I want these to steam up and get pretty tender, so we put them on the fajitas. They are delicious. There's some beautiful colors in there though, I'll tell you what. Check back here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, just been a few minutes. I want to give these a good turn, make sure everything cooks evenly. Already liking what I see. Pretty good hot fire. I mean, this fire is directly over the heat, right around 400, which I'm very good with. I'm not sure what it is directly over the veggies, and I want to keep it off the direct heat because I just want them to soften up some. All right, check back in a few minutes when we're getting ready to put the chicken on the grill. Alright guys, I think these are softening up very nicely. I might even pull them over here a little bit more direct for a few minutes while the chicken's grilling, but show you what we're going to do here. because we're doing this little Southwest theme tonight with some fajitas. This is some mesquite wood I'm gonna get on here and generate a little smoke. And let's get our chicken on the grill. It's not gonna take it that long. Hopefully I can fit it all on here. Generate a little smoke. I'm gonna leave this open for just a minute. I want that wood to take off so we can get some good smoke going. Shouldn't take it very long. There we go. Should put off some nice smoke now. Alright, it's been a few minutes here. Let's give these guys a turn. Oh yes, look at that. Grilling up nicely. I could smell that mesquite. Give these guys a turn. I don't think I'm gonna have to put them over more direct. I think we're good to go. All gonna get done about the same time. I am digging this, guys. I am digging this. Give this a few more minutes and I'm gonna check some temps on the chicken. Alright, I'm gonna give these guys what I hope is a final flip. Hey buddy, give these guys a flip here. We'll check some temps. Looks and smells delicious. Give our veggies. Yeah, they're ready to go. And I might have to move this one over just a little bit. Oh, they're so thin it's hard. Oh yeah, we're there on that. We're there. We're ready to go. I'm gonna pull these off. Get them inside, let them rest a minute. We're gonna heat up some tortillas. Oh yeah, we're there. Definitely. All right guys, let me get these off of here. And we'll do our final step. Final steps, guys. I'm gonna keep this off the open fire, but I'm gonna heat up some tortillas here. Not gonna take but a second. Just get them warm. So that wood burns off there. These are flour tortillas. That's a pretty hot fire, so it ain't gonna take us but a second here. Trying to warm them up a little bit. There we go. It got warm out here today, guys. Alright guys, let's finish these up and I'll see you inside. We're gonna build us a fajita. Gotta get my family fed though. You know how that works around here. Alright guys, let's get this thing cut up. You can cut these into strips. Go great with the fajitas. Smells amazing. I cannot wait to get a bite into this. Guys, let me get my family fed here. We'll come back here and get us a bite. Alright guys, we'll come in here with 2 of these. Grab some of this chicken. vegetables right on top here, some onions, beautiful yellow and red bell peppers. You know I always overdo this. And for me, we're just simply going to top this with some sour cheese, or some sour cream. So we're going to do this. So look at that. Let's get a bite of that. It got warm out there today, guys. It looks delicious, smells delicious. I smell mesquite wood. Wasn't on over the smoke very long, but it sure drawed it in there. I like this. Good. Let's get a taste. I've been craving some good chicken fajitas. This fit the bill, guys. It is delicious. One more bite for you guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this cook. That is fabulous. Give it a try. Does it meet everyone's approval back here?
Yeah.
All right. Good deal, guys. Thank you as always. I really wanted to do this on the Kudu grill over some direct firewood, but too windy. Worked out great on the Weber kettle. We still got a little smoke. Absolutely delicious. So guys, thank you as always. Check out my friends at Grillaholics. I use their seasoning thing. I use their grill pan for the vegetables on the kettle, and it worked out great. Use the link below. You get 20% off your order if you choose to buy something there. Anything in the store is 20% off. Just use that link. So guys, thank you as always, and until next time, guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.